with maybe FSD beta.
Could be.
All right, so it takes a while for it to initialize. At least with the latest update for some reason. But pretty soon you should see the thing expand to start showing vehicles and stuff. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
So now, interesting thing about FSD beta, if you don't put anything in as the destination, it will just drive. Just
Where it wants to?
Randomly, yeah.
Really?
So that's,
Okay.
well, first of all, I don't think 50 is what we want to do here.
I don't think so.
Be prepared.
Tell it where it wants to go.
Oh, that's cool.
So it determines how wide it is, the display?
Yeah. Well, it's an option.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit. It's a
Well,
kid driving.
Yeah. So a lot
I
of
guess
times,
it doesn't have lines, right?
and it doesn't
Yes.
know. It doesn't know where it's going to go next. So let's see what it decides.
Like a
See, it goes right, left, right,
Yes,
left,
it
right,
looks
left.
like
But
a
it does see the
car.
outlines of the concrete, though, which is pretty cool. You know?
So you basically have your foot on the brake constantly.
Oh, look at that.
Where's it
Oh,
going? Where's it
wow.
going? Where's it
Now
going?
it's going right. Oh, wow. So it was like left, right, left, right.
Yeah, yeah.
How far have you let it drive?
Oh,
By
I've
itself.
gone, well, not with me in the car, obviously. I've gone to the beach, to Tapsail Beach.
No,
and
but I
back.
mean, have you ever just let it go for itself
Oh,
for an hour and
yes.
see where it goes?
Does it go in circles?
Yeah, basically, I lived in Holly Springs.
Okay.
It went down to Fuquay Arena,
Really?
and
Oh, wow.
and then it came back to Holly Springs on a different road.
Huh.
And
So
and
it's
then
now going where it wants to go.
it wants, whatever it thinks it wants to go.
And it turns on the signal, too?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
It turns.
Wow.
It does everything by itself. So
Okay.
far, I haven't done anything
Okay.
except just observe and prepare to
And
brake.
you got to touch the wheel every once in a while? Does
No,
it ask
no,
you?
no.
You don't have
Really?
to do that anymore, I guess. Right?
With the
No.
camera?
In
Is it-
fact, you can actually adjust the speed to be whatever you want it to be,
Right.
without any like speed limit of 5 miles above the speed limit. So,
That's so strange.
yeah, and the thing is, after you observe this,
Yes.
you start to believe that it's actually possible.
Possible, right?
It's possible. Look at this. I mean, yeah, I'm
Let's
in
see
the
what
car
it does with
observing.
those dumpsters.
Yeah, I wonder. First I was going up.
Doesn't
to
see 'em yet.
45.
Not yet.
Let's see, has it come up yet? Wow, I'm amazed it doesn't show it.
Yeah.
Wow.
It didn't see them, so there you
Didn't
go.
see them.
Didn't see
So
them.
now we record,
Yeah.
basically, so that
Oh, so
they get this.
that.
They
Yeah,
get
I
this.
wonder why they don't.
Yeah,
weird.
something in parking lots it happens.
Oh, well, it is a different size.
In parking lots, sometimes it just doesn't see things for some reason. So yeah, but that's why you have your hands on the wheel, foot
Yeah.
right above the brake. Sometimes you have to be above the accelerator so you don't get rear-ended.
Right.
Because sometimes it will like do
phantom
that
brake.
phantom braking.
Yes.
It happened. Well, it happened quite a lot in the previous release. Now it's not as bad at all. Maybe on certain roads. It thinks there's a person there. That black
Oh,
thing.
yeah, the sign, right?
For a second there, it thought it was a person.
But you're interested to see how it handles this.
Oh, yeah.
The lines kind of.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because it doesn't
Also,
have a
also,
line,
also
though.
yielding, right?
Yeah.
Although it sees it. Look, that it sees.
It sees
Does
the
it?
crosswalk,
Good.
too.
It
Yeah.
does. Let's see how it handles no oncoming traffic.
Yeah, how does that work?
It's very. Sometimes I have to push the accelerator for it to actually do something.
Well, it's, I
Okay,
guess
like I'm
'cause
doing
it
right
doesn't
now.
know, right?
Well, it's
Yeah.
taking a while.
So if you press the accelerator, it will go.
It will
It'll.
go.
Is it kind of like takes it as that things are okay?
You can.
You
see how it
can.
handles.
Now
Well,
it didn't always do that, did it?
It will do it to an extent, but
Okay.
if it thinks there's something, it will not actually go.
Oh, okay.
How it handles the light.
Yeah, so it
'Cause
came to stop
this
on its
is
own at the light.
A big intersection. Yeah.
Yeah.
certainly
it's-
is. That's pretty quick off the line.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So now it's probably me to my
Wow.
hands in the wheel. Sometimes it gets too close to the gutters.
Right.
And it's going 45 and the speed limit is 30.
That's a problem.
Alright, so where's it gonna go now?
I guess all right.
Can you override it, like put the blinker on it, it'll turn and all that good
Yeah,
stuff?
to a certain extent. But it looks like. So I wonder what it's gonna do with that merge. A lot of
Oh,
times
gosh,
I
yeah.
have to put the turn signal on to get through the merge.
Well, I found it like when the highway expands, you're
Yeah.
in the right lane. Also, once it goes over to, it's like whoa, it
I
goes
guess
over
it
to the
tries to follow those lines.
lines. Yeah.
So I don't like even though it can see the road ahead, I don't think it's gonna do the merge on its own.
But wouldn't it
Huh.
see the line?
It will see the
You would
line, but
think.
it will not change the lanes ahead of time.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It may just kind of
well,
drift
yeah, it
into the
does
other
it
lane.
not. Well, yeah.
'Cause, I mean, there's lots of cars behind us, so I don't know how that's gonna work. So I may have to put the turn signal on myself. But it's not gonna do it early enough, essentially.
Because it doesn't know. I
It doesn't know.
guess they don't read the. I guess you can't go
It
by
doesn't
the
plan
roads.
far ahead, at least in this situation. But you see how much it can track?
Correct.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm impressed
Very
at how fast it starts going from the light turning green.
Yeah. Okay, so
Let's see.
What sees the line? Let's see.
It doesn't see.
Not
yeah,
yet.
see, it's not doing anything.
Not yet. Right.
It should see the line
I'm
go
forcing
over.
it. I'm
There you go.
forcing it.
Uh-oh.
But now there's a car there.
Right.
Okay, so, I
So you had to
disengaged.
manually.
Well, I was kind of steering.
Yeah.
So I disengaged. Whoa.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
That even.
That's why you would get pulled over for
That's
that kind of
right.
driving.
My car's drunk driving.
It's not. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Officer. It wasn't me.
It's him.
And
or
people
her.
are like thinking, what in the
them.
world? So now it's in the left turn lane and it knows that it can actually go there. So let's see if it will actually do it. Some of these big ones. You did it.
Ah, nice.
That was
Wow.
Now what?
Didn't like something. Oh, that merge where the lane split off. Yeah. Maybe that caused it?
I don't know.
Huh.
Alright, so what's going to happen if we put parsec comments?
Oh, yeah. To get us back.
Yeah, so how's it going to do it? The car is going around us.
Look at that.
When they have the silver tables done.
Wow.
Whoa!
45 in the neighborhood. Yeah, this is a bug. In our neighborhood, it definitely says 20 miles an hour, but it still shows 25. So it's a little bit too fast for my liking. So now it's going to do a U-turn somewhere.
So it has to determine where to do a U-turn.
Yeah,
on its
there's
own.
a car behind us, so I don't know
Of course.
if I'm going to let it
And he's
do
on
it.
her butt.
Yeah, no.
He is driving fast. But there's a roundabout there, presumably.
That's probably what it's going to do. Maybe.
They should handle a roundabout.
It should, but with somebody on my tail, I'm not sure if I'm going to want to sit there.
Oh, he turned.
Oh, he turned. That's good.
He's good. All right, now let's see what it
Oh,
does.
gosh.
This should be interesting.
Oh, man. It's a small roundabout, too. But I'm going to put it 5 miles per hour.
It's gonna go all the way around the roundabout.
Not bad.
Yeah. If you limit it to 5 miles per hour, it's not bad. Because I'm too scared to let it drive.
So it would go like 15 or 25 if you let it.
Well, I
it
don't
would
know.
slow down?
don't
I
know.
wonder.
It would-
Wow.
We can try it again, but
No.
it's, I mean, I am nervous as a driver. Yeah. I
Yeah.
can't imagine how nervous you guys
Yeah.
are. And that is going to be an unprotected left turn. Over there.
And those are the hardest ones, right?
Yes. Yes. Oh, there's somebody on our bot again. Come on.
Except for
There's
that
a car
car
coming.
coming.
Yeah. See, yeah. So it definitely went with making this guy, even if it stopped, it would make that guy super nervous. So it should be in the other lane. It hasn't changed it yet. Yeah, so what's it complaining to do? How's it going to turn?
You're not turn right from the.
It's supposed to turn right. It's not doing it.
Yeah,
the end.
last minute. Wow.
Little faith.
Glad there's no cars right close.
Exactly. That's
He
why.
would have stopped and waited then. Or she, whichever you prefer. I guess it knows right on red too.
Yeah, that's why it's not waiting for these guys. I mean, it's making others people nervous most likely.
Whoa!
What?
Yes. This is also a feature. I mean,
And you're in chill mode.
I'm in chill mode. And
Wow.
the thing is, it's also like if you to get FSD beta, you have to drive really carefully and
Right.
not do that.
Yes.
If
Yeah,
you go
don't
through turn real
do as I say, not as I do.
exactly. So I think the score for FSD beta is probably going to be 50 or below.
Does it score itself, right?
That's why they stopped showing the score as soon as you got
Right.
FSD beta.
How long did it take you to get the beta?
It's actually, so I signed up on a Friday and I got it by Tuesday.
Oh wow.
But because I went on a long trip
There you go.
Oh okay.
to the coast and back, to the beach and back, and got about 300 miles plus,
Right.
and I got that.
What was your, do you know what your score was? Your
100,
safety?
100.
100. There you go. That's what you
Oh
got.
boy.
But yeah, if you get dinged and you don't have a perfect score, just unsubscribe and resubscribe.
Resubscribe.
Oh, there's a trick.
24 hours later. That's what I had to do.
Ah.
I actually got dinged on my first try.
We'll have to take it for a ride.
It is impressive, though, I have to say.
The area that you can show is very large. Lots of vehicles you can show. Objects you can track. There's the marquee coming out. Or a marquee.
Yeah, I'm starting to see a few of them around.
That's human drivers, not very good. So now it still saying 50
Right.
speed limit.
Yeah,
50.
that's it. It'll probably go 50.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
It still says 50. Okay, we're not going to turn right. This is as far as I had the
you
thing
go.
preset.
That's the one thing I noticed on the auto navigator, auto steers on the parkway. It's going along fast, and all of a sudden you can see the cars up there. If you don't take it out, you get up to them, and all of a sudden, boom, the brakes go on. It's like,
Yeah.
and you look, someone's going to hit you in the wrist.
Well,
so I
yeah,
always
that's
I just
unnerving.
flip it up and just take it out of.
Yeah,
You know,
with
because-
with the vision only autopilot, it's
Yeah.
much better now.
It doesn't see the.
Now it's and this is a 2018 car, and I guess the cameras may be a little bit older, but still can
What?
see quite a lot.
Thank you for sharing.